All rise. The courtroom comes to its feet as Judge Funk takes the bench. The case is called Bishop versus Sanchez. The air feels tense. Two parents, one 2-year-old child, and a fight over responsibility that is about to unfold in front of everyone.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Bishop,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my girlfriend, Linda, she hasn't been supporting the child like I feel like she should be doing.
What do you mean she hasn't been supporting the child? You
Well,
talking about emotional support? You talking about
Mr. Bishop speaks first. His voice is steady but frustrated. He says the child's mother barely visits, barely supports. He wants financial help. He wants structure. He wants her present in their son's life. The judge leans in. This is not just about money. It is about showing up.
financial support? What type of support are you talking about?
Financial support, actually being there, visiting, it's very rare that she comes around.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking me to do about that?
Well, I would like to have some kind of financial support from her end, and if we could set up some sort of visitation that she actually is in the child's life.
Okay, how old is the child?
2 years old.
2 years old.
2 years old.
You don't visit with the baby?
No, I mean,
No?
I have a night job.
The child is only 2 years old. A baby. The mother explains she works nights and sleeps during the day. The judge asks the question directly. Because you work nights, you cannot see your child? The answer is simple. Yes, Your Honor. The courtroom grows quiet. That answer lands heavy.
And so I sleep during the day, so it's really hard to get up and see the child.
So because you have a night job, you cannot spend time with your baby? That's what you're saying today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you not want to be a mom?
No, Your Honor. I did not want the child. Philip convinced me to have him. I thought it would be okay, but it ended up being a boy, not a girl.
So let me get this straight. You do not want the child.
Then comes the moment that shocks everyone. The mother admits she did not want the child. She says she expected a girl. It was a boy. The judge freezes for a second, then responds sharply. That is the most ridiculous thing she has heard in her courtroom. The gallery murmurs. Even the father looks stunned.
Because it's a boy and not a girl?
Correct.
That is like the most ridiculous thing anybody has ever said in my courtroom. Because of the gender? So do you not think you need to be paying child support to him?
No, he makes more money than I do.
But he has the full responsibility of parenting the child. You're not doing anything. You don't even want the baby.
Yeah, if he wanted the baby, he should take care of it then.
The judge presses further. Does she really believe she should not pay support? The mother argues that the father makes more money, that he wanted the baby, so he should take full responsibility. Her words sound detached, as if parenting is optional.
You made that up. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward because, okay, how much money do you make?
$4,000 a month.
4,000. 4,000. What do you do for a living?
I'm an entertainer.
What does that mean?
I'm an exotic dancer.
Oh, okay. So $4,000. Wait a minute. So you mean to tell me that
The numbers come out. $4,000 a month. She works as an exotic dancer. The judge makes one thing clear. Her profession is not the issue. Her absence is. You do not get to walk away from your child and avoid financial responsibility. That is not how the law works.
exotic dancers cannot be in their children's lives? Oh no, you said you don't want to be in the child's life.
Yes.
You just want him to pay you child support and you want him to assume the full responsibility of taking care of the child too because he wanted the child.
Well, I didn't want child support from him. He can just have.
But you don't want him to pay. I mean, you don't want to pay him.
Correct.
No, that's not how this works. He is not going to be the one that takes care of the child 100% of the time, and then you just get to go dance or whatever it is that you do. I'm not exactly sure what you do at your overnight job. That's just not how it works. So let me tell you what we're going to do. You're going to start paying him child support a month. Now,
The ruling begins. The judge states it firmly. She will pay child support. Visitation cannot be forced, but financial duty can. The father will not carry 100% of the burden, while she simply opts out. The tone is decisive. Final.
in terms of visitation, if she doesn't want to visit with the child, there's nothing I can do to make her do that. However, she will start paying some sort of child support today, okay?
Okay.
And you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you have a problem with that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, just making sure. So, at $4,000 a month, I have your net calculated at $3,266.81, which brings your child support amount to, you only have one child?
Correct.
Okay.
The judge calculates carefully. Net income, insurance costs. Every dollar matters. $653.36 in support. Plus health insurance. The total climbs to $997.36 per month. The mother nods. She understands.
$653.36, and you cover health insurance?
Yes.
How much is it?
$344 a month.
300, and that's for the child only. That doesn't include you, right?
Correct.
Okay. So that amount is going to be added to that. So $653.36 plus the $344 that he pays in health insurance will be $997.36 a month.
Okay.
Okay. All right. That should be enough for you to cover anything that you need to get for the child. And just so you know, this child is going to grow up, obviously. He's 2 years old now. He can come back later as, his life changes. He starts going to school. He might want to put him in private.
But the judge is not done. She looks ahead. This child will grow. School. Activities. Bigger expenses. If income increases, support increases. The mother quietly admits she knows what that means. More responsibility. The message is clear. Parenting is long-term.
Private school or, anything like that. Any type of extracurricular activities. He comes back in here. You've made more money. You already know what's going to happen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going to happen?
I will have to pay more.
Oh, okay. Long as you understand that. All right. Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Okay.
I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Bishop versus Sanchez. So the child had been living with dad this entire time. Mom didn't want the kid ultimately.
The case is dismissed. But the lesson lingers. The judge explains what viewers just witnessed. The custodial parent, the one raising the child, is entitled to support. Feelings do not cancel obligation. Distance does not erase duty. Whether you visit or not, you pay. Because in this courtroom, responsibility is not based on preference. It is based on the best interest of a child. And as the judge would say, you may choose your lifestyle, but you do not get to choose whether you support your child.